Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Place. I am excited to show you this Power Air Fryer XL. It is the 5.3 quart. Just picked it up today and we are going to make something good in it this first night. So let me show you the unboxing. I'm going to scoot this forward and show this to y'all. It says Power Air Fryer XL. This is the one says as seen on TV. I do not know. I'm thinking, but I'm not sure if this is made by the same people that do the Power pressure cooker. But anyway, it says Power Air Fryer, and it does everything: fried chicken, fish, blooming onions, French fries, all that good old stuff. So let me open up the box. Has some important notices in there. Comes with the directions, the operational booklet. Has two books in there actually. And I guess this is the bottom of something. But anyway, this was sitting on the top. Scoop this back. There we go. Out of the box. It's all wrapped in plastic. And like I said, this is the 5.3 quart size. This is the extra large. We found it on sale for $69.99 at Target. So if y'all have a Target near you and you've been wanting to get one of these, head on over. Just call and make sure your Target has it. I called, well, first I saw it online because we checked Sam's and Walmart. They didn't have it on sale. And of course, I was looking for it on sale. Okay, here's the power cord on the back. At Sam's, it was $99.99 or $99. And at Walmart, I believe it was the same price for this size. So it has a little film of plastic over the circle to protect the display. So I'm not going to take that off right now since I'm just unboxing it. Has tape on here. So we'll take that off. There's tape on this side. Has a caution button here on the top. Caution tape, I mean. Says when removing basket from unit, please take care as to not push the button. Only push when you are ready to remove the basket on your intended placement or tray. Take care to only push button when the basket is firmly on a surface to avoid dropping the basket. Okay, so this is the fryer basket right here. Okay, so I found out what this little piece is for. It goes in the basket when you want to divide the basket, maybe like with fries, half with fries and half with wings, or whatever. If you're cooking two things, this splits the basket. I'm not sure which way it goes yet, but I think it's down this way. I probably have to take these little black things off, but you slide it down in here. Just found out these black tips are to remain on this piece while cooking. It helps it to stay sitting up straight inside the unit. that was the unboxing. So I'm going to cook something in it tonight. Most likely we're going to do burgers. We're going to do wings very soon. But anyway, that's the unboxing for the Power Air Fryer XL. More to come.